Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make an electrolysis engraving on metal. So first I started by printing out a little template that I then transferred to some electrician tape and cut out. Now we can place this template on the metal we want to engrave. So here I went with this round metal part, so you can see that this method works for almost any shape you want. And now we'll have to mask off all the metal we don't want to engrave. So again, using some tape, place some cotton around the object. And then make a mixture of water and baking soda to make a solution that will conduct electricity. Put your objects in the liquid and make sure the cotton is wet. Now we'll need a source of electricity. Here I'm using this homemade power supply. Connect the anode, so the negative or the black wire, to the cotton, and the red wire, that's called the cathode, to the metal part. Now this reaction will emit some toxic gases, so do not breathe those in and make your little experiment outside. After 20 minutes I added some more water and let the reaction take place even longer. And now we can remove the tape, clean off the engraving, and here it is. By letting the reaction take place longer, we can get some deeper engravings, but as you can see, you can't really get much detail. It will always be a little butchered, but at least it's easy and quick to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!